Alright guys, today we're doing the Positive Crankcase Ventilation Valve, also known as a PCV. So we got to remove this cover. Using one from a company called Intermotor. It's on Amazon, I'll link it down below. First thing we got to do is remove the engine cover. And my engine's still slightly hot, but right here's your PCV. So just move the foam out of the way. Try not to nick this wire. Grab this clamp, pair of pliers, pull back. Then grab the hose. It'll probably be stuck. Just lightly go like this and then pull. Comes right off.
It's a 20 millimeter. If you have one, I'm guessing. I don't have one. Get some oil spillage. Let's go clean that up. Rag. Get the towels.
You would blow in here, and it would come out here because this is your vacuum side.
And we're going to take our new PCV. Make sure that gas can lines up. It does.
There we go, nice and tight. Now take your hose, push your hose back on, grab your clamp. You can do the whole thing with needle nose if that's all you had. Make sure that's on there and you're good to go. Put your cover back on. That's it. Hope this video helped. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.